Mayank sir, I'll start with you only. Recently, IDA chairman said that average inflation in India is around 4 to 5%, but health insurance premium is increasing by 10, 12% or in double digit. So, do you agree with his statement?
I think he's right because Anurag, whilst the general inflation has tended well in India in the last few years, below 5, around 5% or so. But as you know, medical inflation, as per all documented records, also has tended above 10%. And finally, health insurance premiums are a pass through because we finally cover the cost of healthcare for our customers. So our pricing is in that sense linked to the cost of healthcare and the rate at which the healthcare cost is growing. So therefore, health insurance premiums have also generally tended to, if you look at the industry level, in 8 to 10 to 12% range because of the healthcare cost.
Healthcare cost. Sir is saying that health insurance premium is increasing due to the healthcare cost. So, according to you, sir, which are the main reasons that healthcare cost is increasing by 10%, 12%, 15%?
Thank you, Anurag, and very pertinent question I think you have asked. Today, if you look at healthcare, every day, what are the input cost for any healthcare delivery? If you see, the first thing comes, the technology. Today, healthcare ecosystem is noticing the evolving pattern of technology, whether it is robotic surgery, whether you take any of these advanced mode of treatment in cancer especially. We have seen so much of different treatments have been experimented and today successfully getting introduced. When those are happening, automatically the cost of treatment goes up because everybody wants to avail the latest technology and latest gadgets. The second most important input cost is the human resources. Okay. With the tremendous competition in the market amongst the hospitals, you have limited experts like doctors, nurses and all available, and if you need to retain them, you need to give them a market price and sometimes a better compensation. So that becomes another tricky thing. Third, I'll talk about little bit of material cost. What I mean by that, consumables, disposables. However, with the help of Made in India movement, we have seen a lot of Indian products have come, but still the affinity is there for the multinational companies product, and especially with the dollar and euro, the way it is changing their conversion with the rupees, the cost for that is going up. And finally, in certain geography, the real estate cost. So when you put all these four input factors for the medical cost, it is going towards north side, and as a result of that, inflation is happening in the medical